It's Mahina Olelo Hawaii, Hawaiian Language Month, and there's so many ways to learn, connect, and celebrate.
And here's a fun one for the whole family. Head on over to Bishop Museum for the official premiere of Moana 2, Mahina Olelo Hawaii, all in Hawaiian.
Yeah.
And here to tell us a little bit more about it is Laiana Kanoa Wong from Kumau Productions. Aloha, my brother,
hey,
and
aloha.
welcome. We're so happy to have you here today.
Yeah.
Mahalo i oko. Hauoli ki ia paiana. Ka'anei ka ʻŌlelo Hawaii. Happy to be here.
Oh, right on, brother.
Now, Laiana, please tell us about Moana 2. We're excited. I know that Davey actually got a chance to attend the Moana.
The first one, yeah.
Yeah. When you folks did that. How did this project come about that you folks are continuing the translations for Moana 2?
Yeah, I had the honor of working on the original Moana 2, the production of the film itself. And as we were working on it, consulting, providing cultural worldviews from Hawai'i, we realized that there was a whole team of Aotearoa continuing to do the Te Reo Maori version. I said, why aren't we doing the Hawaiian again? We did a little research. We found the Ohana and our family and friends who did it before in Moana 1. So we was like, hey, can we do this again? And they said, yes, please go for it. So we reached out to Disney Animation Studios. They were open to it, and we just put pen to paper. Awaiaulu helped us with translation. We found an amazing cast, and we put together an amazing thing to continue ʻŌlelo Hawaii.
This is so awesome. So this is actually going to be the world premiere, but they've also already put it up on Disney Plus as well, which is a huge thing that you can go to the Disney app and then watch either Moana or Moana 2, Mahina Olelo Hawaii. That, I mean, congratulations.
Mahalo.
That's huge.
It's an absolute honor. We need more ʻŌlelo Hawaii resources for our keiki, for our families.
Yes.
If mom and dad or tutu and papa or auntie uncle want to throw on a show, you can now choose something in ʻŌlelo Hawaii, and your keiki can be entertained with a great story. You'll hear ʻŌlelo, you'll see the action, and the story of Moana is very much like our story. It's an oceanic story, the story of our people. But to have it in ʻŌlelo, it's just more access for our families, normalizing it, elevating it, and we need to keep going.
Well, I'm so thankful to Disney as well for being open to doing this for the different cultures. Now, I just kind of want to pull the thread on Kumau Productions just a little bit and learn a little bit more about what you guys do and the important work you guys provide to make sure that Hollywood represents Hawaii and our stories in an appropriate way. Can you talk about that for a little bit?
Yeah, we know for so long Hawaii has been the backdrop to film stories. People love shooting here, filming here, but oftentimes our cultural worldviews, our language, the practices, the way of life is kind of backseat and kind of like commercialized or a little bit too cartoonish in some ways, pun intended. For us, it's helping to provide. We know that the studios want to do things the right way. We know that they want to invest properly if they have the resources or the connections. Kumau Production helps to kind of like bridge that gap, helps to bring cultural authenticity, mo'olelo stories, pronunciation support, all of that to these films and projects. So it's been an honor that Kumau has been able to do that, as well as create our own media and content so that we can ho'omau, find more ways for our ʻŌlelo, our culture, and our ike to be seen worldwide.
Oh, beautiful. You know, Laiana, I want you to come back and join us so we can talk story about the Hawaii film industry, because that's a whole nother topic, and how Kumau Productions is working in that, right? To make that more accessible to everybody, right? To those that are filming. But we're going to talk specifically about Moana 2, because I think it's amazing that the admission is free.
Yes.
And that's, I think, a big deal already. The admission is free, but there is a step that people need to take so that they can attend for free, right?
Yes, we want our entire kaiaulu, our ohana, our families to just come and join us. Come dive into Moana 2 at Bishop Museum. It's completely free. And all you got to do is register. There's no Bishop Museum membership required. Just register, write your email, see how many tickets you need. Your ohana can come and join. There'll be food vendors and different educational groups sharing about voyaging, ʻŌlelo Hawaii, aloha aina practices. So you can come and get a whole experience as well as watch the awesome film and celebrate ʻŌlelo Hawaii with your family.
Right down. We have the QR code on the screen, but if people want to go to the web, where would they go for a website? Can they go to Kumau?
Right now you can go to Kumau Productions as well. We're going to start to blast it online. Bishop Museum will also have it on their websites as well.
Okay,
that's so perfect.
Solid. Okay, KumauProductions.com.
Yes.
All right, and Kumau Productions is coming back so we can talk film. Like us talk film. Laiana Kanoa Wong, thank you so much, brother, for being with us. We appreciate. Woohoo! Now, family, if it's your birthday today, you share it with actors Nathan Lane, very funny guy, and Warwick